Hello guys, what's up? Today I'm going to show you how to change your residence or location of your channel. For selecting country, you have to go the studio.youtube.com. Simply go to the youtube.com, then click your logo from the right corner and go to the YouTube studio. Then I scroll down, seeing that settings option, click on it. Then you have to select channel option. Now you have to select country of your residence. You can select Bangladesh, India, Australia, United States. From here, if you select this, you can select it. I'm not selecting any country, but I want to show you properly. That's all. I'm selecting a country, selecting India. So save it. That's all. Thanks for watching.